Chorchori. Mixed vegetables. A main dish from India. Serves 8. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil in a heavy saucepan or karahi. Step 2. Add onion seeds, aniseed, fenugreek, mustard seeds, cumin, bay leaf, chilies. Fry. Step 3. Add all vegetables and stir. Step 4. Add turmeric and chili powder, fry 5 minutes. Step 5. Add sugar, milk, water. Mix. At medium heat, cover and cook vegetables until tender and liquid is absorbed. Step 6. Serve with Indian bread and pickles or chutney. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.